Hello everybody. Now we are going to discuss a example of Kirchhoff's voltage law as well as Kirchhoff's current law. Now let us take an example for a problem. Example 1. What will be the current through the resistance of 200 ohms and the voltage drop across it? Look at the circuit diagram. This is a 10 volt source, this is a 30 volt source. There are three resistances. First 100 ohms, second 150 ohms, and third 200 ohms. We have to calculate the current through these 200 ohms resistance and the voltage drop across it. So first of all, consider Kirchhoff's current law or KCL. This current I we have to calculate. Consider two loops. This is loop 1, this is loop 2. Here the current is I1 and here the current is I2. So through this resistance, if we consider the current is I, then I will be this I1 and this I2. So the first equation is I is equal to I1 plus I2 is equal to 1 is the first equation. Now using Kirchhoff's voltage law in loop 1. In this loop we have to apply Kirchhoff's voltage law. Here this is 10 volt, 10 voltage drop across this resistance is 100 into I1. Voltage drop across this resistance is 200 into I is equal to 0. By simplification we can get this. Next, consider Kirchhoff's voltage law for the loop 2. This is 30 volt, 30 minus voltage drop across this resistance 150 into I2 minus this 200 into I is equal to 0. Now by simplification we can get this. And next we can replace this I2 from equation 1. This will be 15 into I minus I1 plus 220 I is equal to 3. By simplification we can get this equation. Now using equation 3 and equation 4 we can get the value of the current is like this. And next the voltage drop across this resistance is simply VAB is equal to 200 its resistance into this current, this, and we can get 13.84 volt.